Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I bought this lightning to digital AV adapter. I'm going to do a review on it and show you how it works. Let's get into it. I bought the lightning adapter, that way I could hook the HDMI cable up to the back of my TV and then I could watch my phone on the big screen. The idea was to kind of save some cash and use the unlimited data from my cell phone. Then I could reduce my monthly budget by not having to pay for Wi-Fi and a cell phone. The device is pretty simple to use. You plug the cell phone in here, the HDMI cord to the TV here, and then your power cord here. A word of caution if you're doing some shopping, there's a lot of knockoffs, and while they're a lower price, they also provide less features. They typically come with lower reviews, such as poor video quality or the fact that they break after a few uses. The biggest downside to the cheaper options is they only have certain app compatibility. So while they may work with YouTube and TikTok, they may not work with Netflix, Amazon Video, Hulu, or iTunes. So before purchasing one, I'd definitely scroll through the list, read the reviews, and see what other people have said. If it meets your needs, then go ahead and save a few bucks, get the cheaper version. For example, if you're only going to watch YouTube and maybe do some things on Facebook, it would work great. But if you're wanting to stream Netflix, for example, you may need the better adapter. I ended up buying the Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter made by Apple. They're around 35 bucks. You can save some money if you scroll down and you don't mind if you purchase an open box version. I bought the open box and it works just fine. With the Apple version, there's no restrictions on apps or anything, so anything you can watch on your phone, you can now watch on your TV. I'd also recommend getting some nice HDMI cables, that way the sound is crisp and the video's clear. So here's my lightning adapter. You just plug your phone into that top part. I've got the HDMI cable running to my TV, and then I can also plug it into an outlet. That way I don't have to worry about my battery life on my phone. After you hook everything up, it's automatic. Whatever app you open on your phone will be displayed on your TV. Check out this other video right here. Use my link to Amazon down in the description for stuff on sale. Help out the channel at no cost to you. Thanks.